How to fix Siri not talking or working on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Let's get started. First up, check Siri settings. For that, launch your Settings app, then scroll down, navigate to the option of Siri, open it, click on the option Talk to Siri, check in for the option of Off, then again set up Siri. Make sure you have checked in for the option Allow Siri when locked. Next, hit back, then navigate to the option Voice. Now from here, select any other language and the voice. Once you customize these settings, your problem might be resolved. If not, what you have to do is head back, go to the main page of settings, then navigate to the option of battery, click on it, disable for the option of low power mode. Likewise, give fresh restart to your device. For that, head back, click on general, scroll all the way down, click on shutdown. With that, your phone will be turned off. After you turn off your phone, again restart it. If none of these solutions work, check for an update. For that, navigate to the option of software update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your device to its latest version. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Siri not talking or working on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.